Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a super fast, secure, and totally free VPN for your Android device, then Proxy Master might just be your new favorite app. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and connect to Proxy Master, one of the most trusted VPN proxy apps, used by over 10 million people around the world. Let's get started with turbocharging your internet privacy and speed. Proxy Master is not just another VPN app. It offers unlimited free VPN proxy, military-grade AES 128-bit encryption for securing Wi-Fi hotspots, multiple VPN protocols including IKEv2 and OpenVPN, UDP and TCP, and it has global servers across America, Europe, and Asia, all accessible with just one tap. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or just protecting your online identity, Proxy Master has got you covered. Let's take a look at some standout features. Enjoy the most secure online experience with encryption and protocols that keep hackers and trackers away. Enjoy lightning-fast browsing thanks to servers placed strategically worldwide. Most of them are completely free to use. One-tap connection, split tunneling support, works with all networks, Wi-Fi, 3G, LTE, and mobile data. Smart server selection for best performance. Now let me show you how to get started. Open your Play Store and search Master Proxy Super VPN. Find the app and click the Install button. Once installed, open the app. On the home page, you'll see a big Connect button. Just below that, you'll see connection options like Auto vProxy, Y2 Proxy, SL Proxy. You can leave it on auto for the best experience. Tap on the Fast Server button just above Connect. This will open a new page. Choose from free or premium servers. We'll go with free, so just tap on Fast Server again. After a few seconds, you'll be connected. To double-check your connection, tap the arrow icon above the Connect button to view network status. Also, tap the Speed button to test your connection speed. If you face any connection issues, here's what to do. 1. Tap the flag icon. 2. Tap the refresh icon to reload the server list. 3. Choose the fastest server and reconnect. This usually fixes the issue in seconds. And that's it. You're now protected with one of the most reliable VPNs for Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and VPN tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.